All right, hey mathletes in 5th and 6th grade. I thought we could work a couple problems off of the 2012 meet. And the first one I thought we could start with would be this one. And again, we want to get these right. They're worth 2 points each. The instructions are write the improper fractions as whole or mixed numbers. Okay, everybody, you have an expression. It's 10 over 7. The first thing I want you to recognize is 10 is greater than 7, so it's more than 1. Again, you can practice these and try them. Often we think of this method. Let's take the number 10 on the inside, divide by 7, it goes in ones, has a remainder of 3, we get 1 1/7. I think that's a great method. I look at it a little differently. I try to picture myself as, hey, I can do this in parts. I can break 10 into 7 and 3 and break the fraction into 7 sevenths plus 3 sevenths. That's 1 plus 3 sevenths and then 1 and 3 sevenths. I tend to make less errors doing the blue method. And again, it's just practice. So when I look at number 2, and if you can't get it, the first thing I think of is what number is this close to? Well, I know 3 times 4 is 12. So everyone, I would write this as 12 over 3, but that's not 13 thirds. So I need another 1/3. Well, 12 over 3 is 4. So the answer to number 2 is 4 1/3. All right. Likewise, when we get down to problem number 3, it says write the mixed number as improper fractions. Well, again, the first thing I think of on this one is this is 3 plus an eighth. All right, well, I can picture how many eighths are in 3. If you take 8 times 3, it's 24. So I can replace the 3 with 24 eighths. And everybody, I want you to be clear, this is equivalent to this. And 3 plus an 8 was equivalent to where we began. Just we're not changing the value. 24 eighths plus 1/8 is 25 eighths. Now another way to do this, and again, I don't, is 3 times 8 is 24 plus the 1, but I like the method where I think about what it means. So 6 2/3 is this number. If you want to try it, pause me. But again, I can picture that 6 2/3 is 18 thirds is 6, 2/3 is 2/3. This is still 6 2/3 then. 18 thirds. So this one is 20 thirds. All right. Last one on this page. Write the decimal as a fraction equivalent reduced to lowest terms. I love math, and I'll tell you why. Because we all should be able to name this decimal. It is, and I'll make it a little bigger so we can all see it. It is 25 thousandths, right? Well, when I say that, first thing I think of is 25 thousandths. And that's the fraction. Now it says reduce to lowest term. I prefer the word simplify. Reduce makes it feel like it's smaller. It's going to be the same value, all right? And I would do it this way. And again, depends on how much practice you need. If you are not okay with this jumping that 5 times 2 is 10 and there are 2 more zeros for 1,000, you can do this, right? You can make this move down here somewhere else in space and get this. Now, I make this move. Boom. I can cancel the 5s. Everyone, we knew 0 and 5 meant it could be simplified by 5. Guys, again, 0 and 5 can be simplified by 5. So I would write this for the 5. And then again, I know that this is 20, 5 times 4, but I need a 0. Cancel this. And the answer to this one, guys, is 1/40th is equivalent to 25 thousandths. All right? Everybody keep practicing. If you need more problems like this, you can just try the YouTube channel. I have a video on fractions, decimals, and percents. And again, it's practice from mixed numbers to percents. You can use your calculator. Pick any mixed number you like. Make it up in your head. Keep it between 1 and 3. And everyone, you can do this on your calculator, and it will tell you the answer. All right? And again, I like, if I'm going to go improper, doing this. And if I have improper, I prefer that. Keep practicing. Have a good day, guys.